Rights and influence of an owner in a family business. Being a shareholder and owner in a family business encompasses a broad spectrum of rights and responsibilities. Your role is not only pivotal in terms of investment, but also in guiding the business towards its strategic objectives. Here's a comprehensive guide to navigating your position effectively. Understanding your role. 1. Understand your rights. Familiarize yourself with your rights as a shareholder, including voting on major decisions, receiving dividends, and accessing business records. 2. Stay informed. Regularly review the business's performance, strategic decisions, and financial reports to make informed contributions and decisions. 3. Engage in communication. Participate in discussions, provide constructive feedback, and express your views to influence business decisions. 4. Establish a shareholders' agreement. A well-drafted agreement can clarify shareholders' rights, duties, and decision-making processes, preventing future conflicts. 5. Understand the business. A deep understanding of the business operations, industry trends, and competitive landscape equips you to offer valuable insights. 6. Seek professional advice. Consult with external advisors for unbiased legal, financial, and strategic perspectives. 7. Contribute specialized knowledge. Apply your unique skills and expertise to enhance the business's strategy and operations. 8. Support succession planning. Engage in planning for leadership and ownership transitions to ensure the business's longevity and stability. 9. Collaborate with management. Work constructively with the management team, supporting their efforts while providing oversight and strategic guidance. 10. Uphold ethical standards. Your behavior sets a tone for the business's culture and reputation. Always act with integrity and transparency. Managing investments and relationships. 11. Diversify your portfolio. To mitigate risk, consider investing outside the family business, ensuring financial security regardless of its performance. 12. Align interests. Your personal and business interests should align with the company's long-term goals, supporting strategies that drive sustainable growth. 13. Be open to feedback. Welcoming diverse viewpoints can lead to more robust decision-making processes. 14. Foster collaboration. Promote a culture of trust and mutual respect among shareholders to achieve common goals. 15. Manage conflict effectively. Resolve disputes through mediation or negotiation to maintain family harmony and business stability. 16. Respect boundaries. Differentiate between your role as a shareholder and the operational responsibilities of the management team to prevent overstepping. 17. Monitor corporate governance. Ensure the business adheres to high standards of corporate governance, benefiting all stakeholders. 18. Support professional development. Invest in training and development for family members and employees to keep the business competitive. 19. Balance objectives. Consider the implications of your decisions on both short-term gains and the business's long-term sustainability. 20. Embrace change and innovation. Be open to new ideas and technologies that can drive the business forward in a competitive landscape. Conclusion. As a shareholder and owner in a family business, your engagement and decisions profoundly impact its direction and success. Balancing your rights with your responsibilities while maintaining healthy family and business dynamics is key to fostering a thriving business environment. By adhering to these guidelines, you can navigate the complex landscape of family business ownership with wisdom and foresight. This channel offers over 40 videos on family business and related matters. Please look for Basheer Juma on YouTube.